Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, bottom left bezel, and battery. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the touchscreen cable for later replacement. Carefully remove the touchscreen cable from the adhesive on the display enclosure. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchscreen ZIF connector and disconnect the touchscreen cable from the system board. Remove the touchscreen cable. Replacement. Insert the touchscreen cable into the touchscreen ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Apply pressure to the length of the touchscreen cable to adhere it into position on the display enclosure.